Hello friends! Today we're talking about the Ford Transit Custom Van 2.2 TDCi, a commercial vehicle that many drivers consider one of the best in its generation. Under the hood is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 125 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque, allowing the van to accelerate confidently, even when fully loaded. Real-world diesel fuel consumption is typically around 7 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers, while the 80-liter fuel tank provides a driving range of well over 1,000 kilometers. One of this model's greatest strengths is its reliable engine with a timing chain, which, when properly maintained, can often cover 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers without requiring a major overhaul. The Transit Custom also impresses with car-like handling, making it feel more like a passenger car than a traditional cargo van. Its spacious cargo area, modern design, comfortable cabin, and exceptional durability have made it a favorite among business owners and transport professionals across many countries. That's why the Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi remains one of the best choices for anyone looking for a truly dependable partner for everyday work. Thanks for watching. A special thanks for your likes. Subscribe if you love cars. See you next time.